when I kind of it was around 7+ years ago when I jumped into entrepreneurship. My idea of freedom was to literally, it was a very general idea of like, I really wanted control over my time. And that was a big thing because I did not want to just, um, I didn't want to just show up just because I'm on somebody's schedule. For some reason, that became a very important thing for me. There are several reasons for that. And the other one was my freedom around my values. I wanted to be able to connect with people the way I wanted to, especially in the corporate and the corporate setting. I felt constrained with the way that people were interacting with each other based on the corporate culture at the time. Those were two big things. And also, when I was kind of jumping in, I also wanted to explore different aspects of myself. I wanted to be on a growth journey. A lot of times the things that I was doing was not aligned with that growth journey.